Adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing fractions. So we don't have the same denominators, so we'll have to find the common denominator, or least common denominator, in order to add and subtract. So the 3 time tables would be 3, 6, 9, and 12. The 6 time tables would be 6, 12, 18, and 24. The 4 time tables would be 4, 8, 12, and 16. And do we have anything common? And the answer is yes. We have the 12. The 12 is common. So in the 3 time tables, the multiplier is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's times 4 times 4. For the 6 time tables, it's 1, 2. So the multiplier is 2 times 2 times 2. And for the 4 time tables, the multiplier is 1, 2, 3. So that's times 3 times 3. Okay, so let's multiply. I'm going to use a thicker pen now. 2 times 4 and 3 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. 1 times 2 and 6 times 2. This will be 2 and 12. Next, 3 times 3 and 4 times 3. This will be 9 and 12. Okay, adding the 8 to the 2 gives me 10. But if I take away 9, I'm left with 1. So this will be 1, 12. Okay, now these mixed numbers, before multiplication, I'm going to turn these into improper fractions by multiplying and adding. So multiplying 2 times 3 gives me 6. Add 1 more, we get 7. So this becomes 7 over 2 times 7 times 1 is 7, plus 3 more is 10. So this will be 10 over 7. Since this is multiplication, we're going to multiply the numerators. So this will be 7 times 10. And on the bottom, we'll multiply the denominators, which will be 2 times 7. 7 times 10 gives us 70, whereas 2 times 7 gives us 14. Okay, so we have 70 over 14. And I like this because I can divide both of these by 7 easily. So let's divide these by 7. So divide by 7, divide by 7. 70 divided by 7 gives us 10, whereas 14 divided by 7 gives us 2. Now, 10 and 2 both can be divided by 2. So my 10 divided by 2 gives me 5, and 2 divided by 2 gives me 1. And finally, my 5 over 1 can be simplified to the number 5. Okay, once again, I want to multiply and then add, multiply, then add. Multiplying, I get 2 times 3 is 6. Adding plus 1 gives me 7. So it'll be 7 over 2. Division. And 7 times 1 is 7, plus 3 more gives me 10. That'll be over 7. Now I'm going to keep, change, and flip. This will give me 7 over 2 times 7 over 10. And now, since this is multiplication, we'll have to multiply 7 times 7 and then 2 times 10 to get our answers. 7 times 7 will give us 49, whereas 2 times 10 will give us 20. And there's nothing to divide this by, top and bottom, because the only thing to divide 79 is a 7, 1, and 49, and nothing that'll work for 20. So we're finished.